Now more than ever, there is a need to search for other sources of income. And yes, and when you get a client, it is the client that will pay for the ingredients. See, some of you are wasting money on people who tell you to come for them to teach you a skill you can learn online, or they have even learned online. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Milan, beautifully Milan. If this is your first time here, Akwaba, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting your girl. I'm grateful. So listen, we are all in Ghana and we know that the current economic situation is no joke, right? Everywhere is hard. This calls for serious rethinking when it comes to finding new ways to stay financially afloat. And now more than ever, there is a need to search for other sources of income. And yes, because prices, everything has increased. And if you say you are relying on only one source of income, I don't know how you are going to survive. So for today's video, I want to share with you 5 businesses you can start in Ghana, especially in this condition, with little to no money at all. Like, you can even start with no money at all. Some of them I've tried, others too. I know people who are involved in it, or people who know others who are into such businesses. So if you think you enjoyed this video, please do stick and stay. The first side hustle you can pick up is collaborating with shops who have no online presence, and setting up accounts for them, and in turn making commission on any sales that comes through that medium. When it comes to this type of business, it applies to a variety of products. Okay, it does not matter what it is, as long as you can set up an account for it, you are good to go. And it also requires little to no time at all. Well, the only time you would spend is when you actually go out to such stores or businesses to talk to them, tell them your intentions, and get them to collaborate. That is it. The next thing would be just either them taking pictures and sending them to you, or you going there to take pictures and post on the account you set up for them. To get clients, you can either go completely without money, or if you would like to do a little promotion without money, you can post on your WhatsApp status or continuously post on Instagram or whichever platform you set up for them, so that your page would be promoted as time goes on. And you can also spend like 50 to 100 cedis to promote your business, and the more you get sales, the more you make up the money you invested, and even get a lot more profit. So yes, that is the first side business you can venture in. Another business you can consider picking up is cooking for people. Yes, this is actually a booming business. You see, it's not everyone who has time to cook, okay? And especially some of our men, our single men, most of them don't really have time to cook. So if you have some good cooking skills here and there, and you have a little bit of time, you just set up a business. Once again, you don't need to start with any money. You just promote yourself through WhatsApp status or referrals, telling your friends to tell their friends that this is the kind of business you are into. And when you get a client, it is the client that will pay for the ingredients, the transportation, and also pay you for the workmanship. So this is a win-win. I'm sure at the end of the day you even get some of your foods to eat. Yeah, so this is another business you can consider. Another thing you can consider doing is to learn a skill and then start a business with it. See, some of you are wasting money on people who tell you to come for them to teach you a skill you can learn online, or they have even learned online. If you're a lady, you testify to the fact that now wigs and makeups are the hot deals. People who are involved in that are making a lot of money. And when you go to YouTube, there are thousands, 10,000s, hundreds of thousands of free videos online teaching you how to make wig from scratch. Very easy to pick up, depending on whatever you want to do, either wig making, makeup, sewing, whatever you can learn online that you can start a business, a side business in. do that. This is a side hustle that may require a little bit of money, but the returns are so enormous that you make your money back and start earning profit in no time. Finally, another side business you can consider doing is drop shipping. So this is how it works. You get a number of people who are interested in a particular thing, let's say an air fryer, right? And you take their money, order it online for them. The reason why you can turn this into a business that usually to get good deals you have to go on Alibaba, AliExpress, and it takes a lot of searching to get the best deal, and not many people have time to do that. So when you do that using their money, you ship it to them. When it comes, they pay their own delivery fee, and you make your money in the end. No sweat, no money involved. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. If you know it was of good help to you, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the like button, and also comment if you want me to bring up another video of this kind or any other video you think you would like to see, and I will definitely do that for you. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.